Bitcoin has started trade on a main exchanging for the at first period in which is creature recognized as a move to legitimizing the digital exchange. Trade outdoor at 23 o'clock GMT Saturday on the Cboe Futures exchanging in Chicago, estimation Bitcoin at $15,000. The exchange's futures were flying for the at first 20 protocol, growing to on $16,600 up falling down behind. Bob Fitzsimmons at Wedbush Stock told on 150 trades were done in the at first few protocol, he's peaceful. The Cboe's go is anticipated to be accompanied following 1 week by a competing list on the Chicago Materialistic Exchanging. Nickname Colas, of Information Journey Study, told the futures listings gave Bitcoin legality, it recognizes how keys and property you can trading. Futures are a kind of derivative agreement how allows trade relying on movements in Bitcoin prices, out of demand property of the exchange himself. The begin of the Cboe marketplace was low core, and no sparkling wine, an exchanging inside told. The Cboe and CME launches were done probable next adoption by the U.S. Consumer Goods and Futures Trade Committee, CFTC. Yet, the controller has alerted investors on the potential top standard of variability and hazard in trade these contracts. Its supporters involve the Winklevoss Gemini, who include been named the at first Bitcoin billionaires. Time critics involve CNBC finance columnist Jim Cramer. He argues how futures trade opening the doorway to brief sellers how bet on down moves in property prices. Bitcoin is not controlled by any nation's central banking and has no everywhere recognized exchanging bet. Cboe told trade will be hanging for 2 protocol if Bitcoin prices growth or drop by 10% in a bid to bring savage fluctuations. We are devoted to go on to job close in the CFTC to display trade and encourage the increase of a translucent, fluid, and equitable Bitcoin futures marketplace, the Cboe told. The Futures Production Associate, that includes several of the planet's largest derivatives brokerages, has criticized the CFTC's judgment, disputing how inadequate focus has been paid to the risks implicated.